Hi and welcome to a new video. Want to give your Wi-Fi passcode to someone else so they can easily connect to your Wi-Fi network? In this video, I'll show you how to share the Wi-Fi passcode from this iPhone to this iPhone. Let's go. You can quickly let anyone connect to the Wi-Fi network by sharing the Wi-Fi passcode. Of course, this only works when you're connected to this Wi-Fi. First, make sure that both iPhones are updated to the latest iOS versions. Both iPhones should also be near each other. Now, on both iPhones, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top. Then turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and make sure that Personal Hotspot is turned off. You also need to be logged into iCloud on both devices and have the Apple ID email saved in each other's contacts. In this case, here is the Apple ID of the first iPhone, while this is the Apple ID from the other iPhone. For now, the Apple ID is required and hopefully Apple will remove this requirement, so it is easier to share the Wi-Fi passcode without the need for the Apple ID email. But for now, you have to enter the Apple ID to each other's contacts. To check for your Apple ID, open Settings and tap on your Apple ID. On the top, you can see your Apple ID email. If you were using an old email and you want to change it to a new email address, I have a video explaining how to do that. To watch that video, click on the tag in the top right corner or follow the link in the video description below. Let's continue. Open Settings, tap on Wi-Fi and select the name of your Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. It is important that both the iPhones are near each other for this to work. A prompt will appear on the other iPhone. Just press Share Password to continue. The password will automatically be filled in the password field, and the iPhone will connect to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.